the Lil'Erebus by Dreadbox. It's a DIY version of their Erebus mini synthesizer, I guess. I'm not going to build it right now, mind you. I've got a lot of other seriously unfinished business to tend to. You didn't really expect me to leave the kit alone and not to build it straight away, did you? So here it is. Assembled, tested and ready for calibration. I had it powered up for about half an hour, and while it warmed up the frequency shifted by a couple of hertz, so it's really important to give it plenty of time for warming up. By the way, if you want to watch me building the kit, there's a link somewhere or down in the description. Dreadbox have provided a video detailing the tuning procedure. They use a tuner. I'm doing it by ear using a frequency counter. So let's do VCO1 first. VCO1 is already very close to where it should be, perhaps a bit sharp higher up. Alright then, that one should be quick. There's two very good reasons why I didn't include the actual tuning process in this video. First, it's rather tedious and painful to watch, and second, I accidentally deleted the footage of me doing it. Anyway, the first oscillator is tuned now. At least it doesn't get much better than that. Okay, VCO2 is now also tuned and calibrated. It went much quicker now that I knew what to look for. The idea is to find a spot using the scale trimmer where jumping an octave on the keyboard also jumps an octave in the frequency range, occasionally adjusting the tuning pot so as not to stray too far from the target note. The tuning pot too, mind you, not the master tune, unless you want to undo what you tediously managed to achieve for VCO1. Both VCOs are now more or less in tune. There's a tiny detuning effect on some of the notes, but that's to be expected and actually sounds kind of cool. So let's hear it, shall we? So there you go, the Lil'Erebus by Dreadbox. It's a fun little synthesizer, and definitely more than a toy, especially with the hefty bass and the cool echo effect. If you've got one of these, I'd like to hear your opinion down in the comments. For everybody else, there'll be a video on the making of the Erebus shortly. But in the meantime, like always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more music and blinken lights. Tschüss zusammen.